What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Kepler 452b and Kepler 452. So what is Kepler 452? So Kepler 452 is a super Theria, or a super Earth, which is 62% larger than our Earth. You can see this is what Kepler 452b looks like, according to what Space Engine thinks. So Kepler 452b is a potentially habitable exoplanet, meaning there's a chance that Kepler 452b could support Earth-like life, since Kepler 452b orbits approximately 1.04 AU from its star, meaning it is located within the Kepler 452 habitable zone. So you can see Kepler 452 over here. It is a sun-like star. It's also a G2V star, which is 11% larger than the sun, but it's still a G-type star, which is literally similar to our sun. And its age is approximately 6 billion years old, according to Space Engine. So this is Kepler 452b. You can see it's not really habitable according to Space Engine, but because we don't know if it's actually habitable yet, since we cannot study its atmosphere composition and its surface, but we can still study its position in the system, which is in the habitable zone. We discovered it in 2015 using the transit method, meaning we discovered it in the method looks like this. So basically, you're looking at the star. If you're looking at the star, and then you basically see the planet transiting in front of the star. So it basically just transits in front of the star. We measure the light patterns in the star, and if we see some light patterns, we may assume that a planet is transiting the star. So in that case, we found a planet transiting around Kepler 452, which indicated that we might have found a planet, and we measured the distance, and it was and people assumed it is literally in the habitable zone of Kepler 452. Some more facts about Kepler 452b. Its atmosphere and pressure, according to Space Engine, is 655 atmospheres. Its rotational period is 14 hours, and it's located approximately 1,800 light years away from the Earth, meaning if you weren't going at the speed of light to start from Earth and try to go here, it'll take you approximately 1,800 years to get there. So it just shows how slow light is in the universe. And the actual tilt is 130 degrees, and this is Kepler 452b. Its ESI is 57.7%. And let's go inside of Kepler 452. Go to the surface of Kepler 452 and see what it looks like. So let's go to the surface. So here is the surface of Kepler 452b. It's a very arid planet without any life at all, even though we might have a chance of finding life in Kepler 452b. But for now, it's unlikely, because we have to know the atmosphere composition and every single thing that makes life possible on Kepler 452b, including its size, which is actually too large. Because of Kepler 452b's massive size, it means its gravity is way more than the Earth's, which can impact human life. Because if gravity was too much, then we will weigh more on the planet, which may not be good for us, because we may not be able to support our weight, because our weight will literally be way more if the gravity is way more on Kepler 452b. So here's the surface of Kepler 452b. It's kind of orangish, similar to Mars, and it has a feel that kind of looks like Venus, but it has a very thick atmosphere, just like Venus. Its surface kind of looks like Mars because it's orangish and reddish. And its temperature is 218 degrees Celsius, which is definitely not good for life at all. And its C's composition, it is a Lacostrian in Space Engine, and it is H2O for its C's composition, because if you look at a NASA picture of Kepler 452b, you can see it has small amounts of water. So the color on Kepler 452b's surface kind of looks like the color you'll see in the artist's depiction of Kepler 452b, with its orangish and small amounts of water. Kind of looks like a Lacostrian, which is similar to Space Engine, which also says it's a Lacostrian planet. So here is Kepler 452b. If you enjoyed this small talk, make sure to keep a subscriber button and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos coming soon. See ya later.